So I finally decided to open a Roth IRA 2 years ago. I watched like 15 videos, read a dozen of articles, and you know what? I was more confused than when I started. Everyone out here is throwing terms like contribution limits, tax advantaged account, custodian, and I'm sitting here just thinking, am I doing the research correct? I just want to save for retirement. Why does it feel like I need a finance degree? Hi, my name is Eunice and welcome to Untangling Money with Eunice. If you are a new subscriber, welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. We love you, we feel your presence. In this channel, we only talk about money. Here's the truth. The financial industry loves to overcomplicate things, but opening a Roth IRA is actually super simple. And today I'm going to show you how exactly to do it step by step. Look, I get it. Maybe you've been postponing like me to open your Roth IRA for months or even years. You know, you should be investing for retirement, but every time you start researching, you hit the wall of jargon and confusion. But let's be honest, some of this complexity is always intentional. When things feel complicated, what do? We freeze, we do nothing. Meanwhile, we literally are leaving money on the table. And here is what nobody is telling us. You don't need to understand everything to just get started. You need to know the next right step. And that's exactly what we are covering today. What is a Roth IRA? Think of it like this. It's a special saving account for retirement, but it has two major massive benefits. Benefit number one, your money grows tax-free, not tax-deferred, tax-free. When you retire, you pull your money, you pay zero taxes for it. Benefit number two, you withdraw all your contribution anytime without penalty if you've had that account for 5 years. If you put in $5,000 and life happens, you can take your $5,000 back. The growth stays locked until retirement, but the original money is always accessible. So here's the catch. In 2026, if you are below 50 years old, you can contribute $7,500. And if you're an investor above 50 years old, you can contribute $8,600. So that $1,100 is like a catch-up contribution. And there are always income limits, but I'll link that below because they change every year. The bottom line is one of the best accounts that you can have is a Roth IRA. All right, let's do this by doing the 5 simple steps of opening a Roth IRA. Step number one, choose where you're gonna open your Roth IRA. By this I mean you got to choose your brokerage. You just need a company called a brokerage. They are very good to just hold your account. The 3 that I recommend, and they are very friendly, is Fidelity, Vanguard, and Charles Schwab. Fidelity is just good for zero fees and it has a great customer service and it's so super friendly for any beginner. Vanguard is the OG of low-cost funds. It has very good index funds. Charles Schwab has also zero fee. It's a real clean app. Honestly, you can never go wrong with the 3 of them. Personally, I use Fidelity because their app is clean. It has good customer care services and it's just a solid good app. But you can just pick any from the website that you just feel comfortable and that is easier for you. This is not marriage. You can just choose any that you prefer. You can always transfer later if you want to. Step number 2, go to your website, click Roth IRA. Seriously, that's it. You just go to fidelity.com, vanguard.com, or even schwab.com. The buttons are always just right there. You just open the account. Just click it and boom, you're done. Upon opening your app, you go to feed your social security number, your driver's license or ID, the bank information, the one that you'll be transferring money from, and employment information. The whole process takes like 10 to 15 minutes. You're basically filling a personal demographic data about yourself. Number 3, fund your account. Once your account is open, you just need to put money in it. You transfer money from the bank account to the Roth IRA. What you do, you set maybe an automatic contribution, which I would highly recommend, or maybe you can do a one-time deposit. It depends with how you feel or how you like it. So you can start with any amount that you can afford, be it $1, be it 10, be it 50, be it 100, be it 1,000. The most important thing is starting. You can always increase the amount as you keep going. Step number 4, invest your money. Here is where people mess up by opening the account and they add money and they think they have invested. Adding money does not mean that you've invested your money. That money will just sit in cash until you choose to just invest the money. And that is one mistake that people do. They just put their money there and think they have invested. For beginners, I'll just recommend pick a target retirement date fund, like maybe a Vanguard or Fidelity target retirement, maybe 2060. It's already diversified and it's very automatic. So as you get older, it just keeps adjusting itself. Or maybe pick an SP 500 index fund, or maybe a total stock market index fund. You can choose just any if you're just not understanding all these things. Don't overthink this. You're not just picking individual stocks. You're just buying a fund that owns 100,000 of companies, and it's low fee, diversified, and it's just a pick it and forget it. Number 5, automate and forget. So what you do is set up an automatic monthly payment. If you maybe saving like $50 a month, that turns to thousands in decades, and thanks to compound growth. Then you got to leave that money alone, and then maybe you can check it once or twice a year, and then time is gonna do the heavy lifting for you. Here's the thing that made me finally to take action. Every year you wait is a year of compound growth you'll never get back. So you invest $5,000 at age 25 and never add any other dollar, it's gonna grow to 70,000 by retirement. But if you wait until you're 35 years old, that same 5,000 only grows to 35,000 US dollars. Time is the biggest advantage. You don't have to keep picking individual stocks that you don't even understand. Don't time the market. The secret is starting early and becoming consistent. You don't need to have everything figured out. The beauty is you don't need to be a finance expert. You just need to open the account, invest your money in a simple way, and let compounding interest do its thing. The future you is gonna thank you for you starting today. Here's what I want you to do right now. Not tomorrow, not next week, but literally right now. Pick one of those brokerage, open your website in another tab, just start the application. You don't even have to finish it today. If you don't want to finish it today, it's okay. The first step is just the motivation of just starting afresh and starting the Roth IRA, such that it will feel less scary and doable. Do me a favor, drop a comment below saying I'm opening mine today, and let me know which brokerage you picked. It creates accountability. Let's build wealth together. I'll drop links about contribution limits and income requirements. If you want more of this, hit the subscribe button. Just a disclaimer, I'm not a finance expert. I'm a young investor who tried and tested it, so I know what is working for me. We are here making financial freedom simple, so just click on my videos, like them, share. We are doing one video at a time, and we are untangling money each and every time. So now go open your Roth IRA. You got this. Bye bye.